Well, we cover a lot. It's a very full 2 days, which people appreciate. So as I said, the main topic initially is what actually is a data model, how do we position it as a way to communicate with the business, and then we move into the main components of any model. So rather than initially speaking about entities and relationships and attributes and cardinality, we start out talking about things and facts about things. So we have a very gentle approach initially to data modeling. Then we move into looking at what are some techniques, like bottom-up and top-down techniques to build our initial conceptual model. We also learn in there what are some assessment criteria to tell if we're on the right track. One of the hallmarks of the course is a lot of checklists, scripts, procedures, hints that make data modeling much more of a repeatable but also flexible process. So once we've covered that, then when we move into making our model more detailed and rigorous, we introduce normalization for mere mortals, how to actually get a normalized model without getting all technical and confusing. We also introduce some ideas about keys and identifiers and generalization and recursion. So we move into a little bit more sophisticated modeling. And then the final section is quite interesting. We look at first some techniques to make sure at the attribute level they are properly structured and granular. Just like in the previous phase, we made sure our entities were properly structured and granular. And then we move into using other analysis techniques. How do you use event analysis? How do you use use cases or user stories? How do we use service specifications? How do we use processes to validate and extend the model? So but the underpinning the whole time is using techniques that are accessible to a regular business person.